guys. So here we go. So we're in the lovely, beautiful park. You see that, guys? Let's get in. It's our best day. Look at this place. Let's go that way. So we're gonna sit down here like. And guys, you hear those? You hear those? Those are some birds. Look at that crow right there. Do you see that? Go closer. Do you see that crow right there? Hey, Crowy! Crowy! He moved away. Guys, did you see that crow right there? Oh my god. This is like animal stars. Let's see. Oh, it's a crow again there. You see that? Get that crow! How the crow's gonna hide? Run away. So guys, I'm gonna show you. This is the cool little plant. Look at this. These are the new flowers. And there's a bird right there. See? Look at the birds. You saw that? There's a bird there. Also, there's like an underground. There's a little jerk. So anyways, guys, let's try to do a jump fast because it's slippery. Also, I'm gonna show you a different set of things. This is another green. Here's another tree. And it's over here. This is the middle of the spot. Where can you go? So come here. So luckily there's 4 ways. This way, this way, this way, this way. So I'm already this way. So all the way to that way. Ready? Right? I have to go. Alright, so I think I'm to go. Alright, let's go this way. Oh my goodness, see that? Ant. Is there an ant right there? That ant's like, wee wee. Oh, there's a lot of ants. There's a lot of green ants. How this one? This is ants. Oh, there's a tiny ant. You see that closer? There's like an ant. And this one has a lot of ants. You cannot see there, right? This is a lot of ants. And also there's a hen. Guys, I'm gonna show you the hen. With the camera. Hey, I'm gonna show you the hen over there because see that hen? Do you see that hen right there? She just quacking out, man. So guys, quacky hen. I want to show you the hen, guys. Let's go. That quacky hen is how we can do this. Well, look at the hen right there. See that? Guys, you gotta come closer because this is the green. I'm gonna go. Okay, is that hen right there? It's a garage. So anyways, that's like a cool more. Okay, look at that hen right there. See that? That hen's like pop 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 pop. That's so cool. All right. So look at that hen. Oh, that's a little. He's shooting with another bird right there. See that? He's like peeing with another bird. I'm showing you. Right. Oh my goodness. Right there. Let's go. Anyways, this is a course correction game. This is a cool correction game. It's a game. right? There's like a birdie, a chicken, some more chickens. There's one chicken. You see it? There's the two other chickens that scared you. Look at them. There's a I'm scared. I think he went into the bush. I think he went into the bushes. To fire! Why do you think the fire? Because the fire like and trail. Because like those hands are like so scared, right? Look at those hands. Started rustling. He's over there. He's over there just chilling. That's a cool little hand truck. Ready? So, there's some more hands. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you over here. That has, oh, look at the muddy swip. A muddy swip. There's some more hands over there. See that? Oh, little cute little mommy and daddy hen. You know, like a baby brother and a sister brother. Baby brother, sister brother. And I just see a crab bird. Look at these hands. Look at the hands right there. See our hands? Pak hen. Pak hen. Come here. Come here. On the hands on the side. Hey, you hen. Shooey hen. That's so cool, man. What are those hands right there? So that's nature hands. Is that cool? Nature of a seaweed ant. That pocket hand. Hey, I almost fell. Okay. Oh, look at those hands. They're so cutie. And moody. Ah, look at those hands right there. They went inside of the bushes. And look at that. In town. Oh, there. Where's that spider? Let's go. To guys. I think, are we gonna go to the next park? So I think I wanna go. So let's go and go. Look at this way. Let me show you this way. Ready? Push. Come on. There's like a rope here. See that? On the whole side. Oh, okay. So, see that? Mint weeds. Mint. That's mint weeds. That's okay. What did it say on the sign? What does that say on the sign? You see that? Guys, I want to show you the sign right there. What is that sign right there? Don't run into the grass. That's just so sick. Don't run into the grass without my rule. Don't run into the grass without the fort. Let's keep moving on the sticky bulb. The sticky bulb. Don't think. Don't know. There's a bird right there. See that? Is that a birdie? Birdie. Let's go. Got birdie. There's a hen. There's the hen family right back again. Guys, you see it? The hen family. Hey, shoo. Get lost, you guys. It's a hen family. Oh my goodness. Look what happened to the.
Allah
Look what happened to this, guys. It swapped up. Look what happened. It squawked up, swapped. So, bye bye. So we all got a lovely hands. We have already saw, and also, I got a wiggle. Wiggle. There's yellow, green, and red. And this is like blood. Oh, there you go, look. And also I got a lovely thing I want to show you. Is this one. This one. This is like a lovely plant. See, guys? This is the coolest plant. Look at these cool plants. Guys, gotta even thumbs up because look at these cool little plants. And a tree of phosphorus. And guys, do you hear that? Do you hear that sound? You hear pew, 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 pew. So let's see the leaves. I'm flappy. How about this way? No. This way? This way? So now I'm going back to the middle because very slippery. Some hen families are over there back. And find her. And find her mommy. And find the auntie out there. What are they doing? Hey, show Mr. Hen. Guys, did you see that? Why are the hens eating me? Oh, bird. Birdie. Hey, little birdie, bye-bye. Oh, no, what's the birdie? Oh, awesome. Hi. Who wants birdie? Booyah! Who wants birdie? Booyah! So, let's go back and start pushing it in. Start pushing it in. Start pushing it in. And I'm going to find that. Then don't run into the grass. Don't run into the grass. It's muddy. Muddy snakes are. There's snakes. There's snakes, mistake. And this sound has a ton of ants with it. There's like 1,000 of ants. I can leave. And this is not totally cannot sit down there. 1,000 of ants. And you can already feel here. So, yes. Oh my goodness. So look at these flowers here. Guys, look what I found. A lovely ribbon flower. Missed. What was that? Lovely flower. Missed. So let's go back. And this was the best part of I'm looking at the playground, so that's okay because I show you the one lovely trees, and I'm gonna show you the last thing is here on the picture screen. There on the stove. Look at it. Look at that sign says. Then now, so this is the last thing. What is that? Do you see that? It's mango swab. Those 2 mangoes. So guys, you know, this was the best park ever. A 14 number. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure please comment below and subscribe and click the bell down. We're gonna go back and go on more parks. So bye.